Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Grantham up and down solar motion light. Let's get going. So in the box we have the light, some screws and the instructions. Now this light is 15 centimeters high and has a diameter of 11 centimeters. The lighting type that comes out of these LEDs is warm white. So this light is a solar motion light, and that means it has a PIR sensor on the front and will only trigger when there's movement. So this sensor can reach up to 8 meters at a 100-degree angle, and it can have up to 500 activations per night. So let's see how it works. So installing this light is incredibly simple. It's a matter of measuring the width between these two holders and then screwing the screws into the wall and slotting it in like that accordingly. Light is really easy to turn on. You just press the on button, and then there's a power saving mode for winter, and a third time switches it back off. So we'll just turn it on. And this is the Grantham up and down solar wall light. Now the way this light works is there's an integrated solar panel on the top of the light. Then there's 4 LEDs on the top and 4 LEDs on the bottom. So altogether this light gives off about 120 lumens worth of light. So this light has excellent waterproofing, it's year-round reliable, and it is no maintenance at all. It's a matter of switching on the light once and installing it and leaving it be. The solid aluminium lamp construction makes it incredibly durable, and again, it is made to withstand a UK winter. This solar light installs in minutes, looks incredibly elegant, and will light up when triggered. So if you like this light, or if you have any questions about any lights at all, please make sure just to comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this light as much as I do, and I will see you on the next video.